so in the last chapter we talked about contribute, and I did a video, if you didn't see it, you should go watch it, about the nuance of contributing over just competition. I think this chapter to me is about always being on the lookout for ways to contribute. So it's just keeping that, I don't know if I've mentioned this book, but there's this concept of the OODA Loop. So observe, orient, decide, act. So you're constantly observing, orienting, meaning I'm constantly scanning the horizon for opportunities, and in this case, to contribute, I orient, I see an opportunity, I think, is that an opportunity? Then I decide, okay, I'm gonna go do something here, and then I act, and then I go and do it. And so that's the OODA Loop, and I talk about it in other books, and it's a, I didn't come up with it or anything, but it's something that you might want to go look at. But you're always doing the OODA Loop for ways to contribute, and that's where the real power happens. Once you understand this concept of contributing, competing and contributing, the next thing is to not just wait for the opportunities to fall in your lap. You got to go be proactive and go find opportunities to contribute. So keep your ears open for the salesperson and what they're saying. Maybe you keep your ears open and you learn from something that you overhear, and maybe you go and ask to dig in and learn yourself, but you can also find an opportunity to help that person improve. Hey, do you realize you say this, and that could be off-putting, or whatever it is. And so you got to work in a culture, and if you're not there yet, you got to be in a culture where it's okay to give feedback and receive feedback pretty easily, and then get into the mindset of contribute, and then the mindset of proactively contributing by constantly looking for ways to contribute. So that's what this chapter is about.